Oh, yung hands nyo. Push mo lang kayo, Flor. Yan, it's okay, it's okay. Two hands. Yung other hand. Kuya Alvin, picture mo na. Patrick, ano sa? 1, 2, Kuya Alvin. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Ah. Picture, Ate Elisa, picture, smile. Oh, beautiful, oh, ganda. Mag-smile kayo sa picture ha, baka kalahin nagja-child labor tayo dito. Baka isipin eh, pinagtatrabaho namin kayo. It's okay. Mamaya, testing mo dito ha. Madami tayong ganyan.